Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you where you can find safe, good quality, nutrient-dense compost for your garden. Here's a clip from the show. Do you need compost for your garden but are not sure which source of compost is high nutrient dense and safe for your garden? You know, a lot of people ask me where they can purchase safe, good quality, high nutrient compost. So most of the compost in the bags at the big box stores are not good quality and can be made from things like sewer sludge. And I don't really trust them for a nutrient source for my food. You know, there is a compost council that keeps track of all the different composting operations around the country. And the name of the group is U.S. Compost Council. And their web address is www.compostingcouncil.org. And this is a great site to locate good quality compost for your garden. Now, if you can't find a compost producer near you, then the next best thing is to look up the organic growers in your area and ask them if they sell compost or know of a reliable source. Now, to find organic growers, you want to go to Local Harvest website. It's www.localharvest.org, and you can look up your area. And then from there, you can contact your local organic growers. And the organic farmers, they are all making or buying organic compost to run their farms. So they know where the good high quality compost is. So the best way to get great compost for your garden is to make it yourself. If you'd like to learn more about making compost, you can watch our compost success videos on our YouTube channel. There's a link in the description below for you to find our Compost Success playlist. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week -1. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.